Okay, children, some light questions we'll discuss today. Light question. Suppose refractive index of diamond is 2.4. What does this meaning indicate? Very, very important question. Children, in board exam, they have asked so many times. Refractive index of diamond is 2.4. What does this indicate? Children, we know refractive index of diamond means velocity of light in air by velocity of light in diamond. 2.4 is equal to velocity of light in air by velocity of light in diamond. This goes here, this comes here. Velocity of diamond is equal to 1 by 2.4 times velocity of light in air. So what does this statement indicate? Means, okay, 2 point, refractive index of diamond is 2.4 means velocity of light in diamond. Velocity of light in diamond. Velocity of light in diamond is 1 by 2.4 times velocity of light in air. It indicates. That's it. Okay. Those who did not understand, one more video. Refractive index of glass is 1.33. Refractive index of glass is 1.33. Anyone wants to tell like this?
The refractive index of glass is equal to velocity of light in air by velocity of light in glass. 1.33 is equal to velocity of light in air by velocity of light in glass. 1.33 goes down. Velocity of light in glass is equal to 1 by 1.33 times velocity of light in air.
Okay.
Velocity of light in glass is 1.33 times velocity of light in air.
Velocity of light in glass is 1 by 1.33 times velocity of light in air. That's it, children, like that. Okay, those who did not understand, one more example. Suppose a refractive index of water is 1.5. Imagine. The refractive index of water is suppose 1.5. One second. Okay, what is refractive index of water is called 1.5 means, children? Anyone?
Velocity of light in
Wait, any other student will ask. Srija, you tell us, Srija, refractive index of water is 1.5. Srija. Srija? Varshini,
Yes, sir.
you tell us.
Velocity of light in air divided by velocity of light in water is 1.5. Velocity of light in water is 1 by 5 times velocity of light in air.
Define. What does it mean?
Velocity of light in water is 1 by
water is
1 by 5 times the velocity of light in air.
1 by 1.5 times velocity of light in air. Like that you have to do. Okay, very good. Like this you have to do, children. Okay. So next question. Next question. One second, children. Let's start. One second. Bring the questions. Yeah. Tell me this question, children. Draw any three ray diagrams to show how the size and nature of the image of an object change when it moves from the center of curvature of concave mirror towards the pole. Children, from center means on C, between C and F, on F, between F and P. All these ray diagrams you have to draw, children. I know, I think you know this. Next question, 24th question. Reverse angle, children, 24th question. See here, children, an object is held at 30 centimeters. An object is held at 30 centimeters. Please see here, children, in front of a convex mirror. In front of a convex mirror. Object is held of a focal length 15 centimeters. Of focal length 15 centimeters. At what distance from the convex mirror should the plane mirror be held so that the images two times coincide with each other? Image in the two images coincide with each other. Children, means at what distance from the convex mirror should a plane mirror be held? Means he is asking where should we keep so that image is formed. Image is formed. Convex mirror, no children. Tell me children. This is plus, this is minus. 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. Please see here children. 1 by 15 is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by 30 because minus no children. So this comes here. 1 by v is equal to 1 by 15 plus 1 by 30. 1 by v is equal to 30 is the LCM children. 2 plus 1. 1 by v is equal to 3 by 30. Okay. So 1 by v is equal to 1 by 10. So v is equal to 10 centimeters. So children, convex mirror children, this is convex mirror. All of you see convex mirror. Convex mirror means internal shading is needed. So this is F, this is C, this is F, this is C. F is 15, this is 30, this is 15, this is 30. Object distance is 30 children. Anywhere on principal axis on C, it comes like this children. When it goes, you don't bend the rays, come take it like this. Like this it goes, when it goes like this it goes children here. Virtual, erect, diminished image. So where should we place concave mirror is the question. We should place a plane mirror at 10 centimeters. We should place plane mirror at 10 centimeters so that it will take that image. Again, it will form at 10 centimeters. Where should plane mirror be placed? He is asking. We should place at 10 centimeters. We should place at 10 centimeters so that it will take that image. It will take that image. Okay, children, next question. Next question. 23rd question, children. See here. 23rd question. Find the focal length of a concave mirror, children. Concave mirror. Find the focal length of a concave mirror. Okay, find the focal length of a concave mirror that produces, children. Concave mirror. Find the focal length that produces 4 times larger image held at 5 centimeters. 4 times larger image held at 5 centimeters from the mirror. 4 times. Children, magnification is 4 times magnified. 4 times. Okay. Find the focal length of concave mirror that produces 4 times larger real image is said, children. Real image. All real images are
Inverted.
inverted. So we have to take this plus or minus. Children, magnification minus 4. So magnification is equal to minus v by u. Minus 4 is equal to minus v by
-5.
minus 5. Minus cancel. V is equal to
-20.
minus 20 centimeters. V is equal to minus 20 centimeters. V is equal to minus 20 centimeters. So children, 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. Okay. So 1 by f is equal to minus 1 by 20 plus of minus 1 by 5. 1 by f is equal to minus 1 by 20 minus 1 by 5. 1 by f is equal
1
to
by 5, 1 by f is 20 LCM minus 1 minus 4. 1 by f is equal to minus 5 by 20. 1 by f is equal to 20 by minus 5. 1 by f is equal to minus 1 by 4. F is equal to minus.
So children, f is equal to 4, W is equal to 8, object distance is equal to 5. Heading for Venn diagram is
Between f and c.
between
To
F and C. Concave mirror, no? Between F and C. Okay, children. Concave mirror means it will be somewhat like this, children.
Beyond the
Concave
C will be.
mirror. F, C, all, 4, 8. Object distances between F and C means image you get beyond C, children. One ray parallel to the principal axis, children, goes to F. Another light ray goes to F, goes parallel, children. Like this, like this, like this, like this, children. So what, children? Object distance is how much, children? 5.
5.
Image distance is how much, children? 20. Real, inverted, magnified, beyond C. Real, inverted, magnified, beyond C, children. I hope you are able to understand. Real, inverted, magnified, beyond C, magnified. Okay, so magnification, how much you got? Minus 4. He already gave that. Like this, you have to do, children. Okay. Next one, 22. 22nd question, children. Please see 22nd question. They said that the focal length of convex mirror is 12.5. They said about convex mirror, children. The focal length of convex mirror is 12.5 centimeters. 12.5 centimeters. How far is the center of curvature from the pole from the focus? How far is the center of curvature from the pole and from the focus? You are able to understand, children. Just see here.
25 centimeters.
Very good, very good. this is pole, this is focus, this is center of curvature, this is pole, this is focus, this is center of curvature. On either side you should draw it normally, So F is 12.5, so this is 25. F is 12.5, so this is 25. Question is how far is the center of curvature from the pole? From the pole, center of curvature is 25 centimeters. Okay, children. And from the focus it will be
1.5.
12.5. Okay, children.
25.
Because we know radius of curvature is half of the focal length. Radius of curvature is half of the focal length. Next question, 21st question. 21st question, they are saying, children, here, the linear magnification of convex mirror of focal length, children, he said linear magnification is 1 by 3 for a convex mirror. Convex mirror. Children, convex mirror always forms erect image. We know that. So plus we should take. Convex mirror always forms erect, virtual erect and diminished, virtual erect. So plus 1 by 3. Convex mirror directly they said no problem. Focal length is 15 centimeters they said. Plus only we will take convex mirror. Question is, what is the distance of an object? Distance U. We should find out, children. Yes, children. Magnification is equal to
Minus V by U.
Minus V by U.
1 by 3 will minus V by U.
Sorry, sir. Plus V by U.
Y plus V by U for mirrors, no? Minus V by U. Minus V is equal to
U by
U by 3. V is equal to minus U by 3. V is equal to minus U by 3. Okay, children, let's substitute. V is equal to minus U by 3, no? One by F is equal to 1 by V
F
plus
is equal to 1 by plus 1 by U. 1 by 15 is equal to minus U by 3 plus 1 by U.
okay.
1 by 15 is equal to 3 minus 3 by U plus 1 by U. 1 by 15 is equal to minus 2 by U. U is equal to minus 30 centimeters.
U is equal to minus 30 centimeters, children. So V is equal to, children, V is equal to minus U by 3, no? Minus U by 3, that is minus of minus 30 by 3, that is 10 centimeters, children. So since it is a convex mirror, no problem. This is 15, this is 30. Heading for ray diagram will be 30, children. Heading for anywhere on the principal axis on 30. Anywhere on principal axis on C. Anywhere on principal axis only, but on C. Anywhere on principal axis only, but on C. Okay, children. F, C, D, F, C. F is how much, children? 15, 30, 15, 30. On C. Anywhere on principal axis, you will see image. One ray goes like this, when extended back goes through focus. Other light ray going through pole, obvious loss of infection like this, children. So what are the image, children, characters? Virtual, erect, diminished, always. Object distance is how much, children? 30. Image distance is how much, children? 10. This is 10. This is 10. Image distance is 10. Virtual, erect and diminished. Virtual, erect and diminished. Virtual, erect and diminished. Children, be perfect, children. Okay, exam is there. Be perfect. Do it nicely, children. Very, very easy exam, provided you know numericals well. So, okay, a converging mirror. Converging mirror means what, children? Anyone?
Concave.
Concave mirror. Converging mirror means a concave mirror. Converging mirror of focal length 20 centimeters. Of focal length 20 centimeters, children, forms an image which is 2 times the size of object. 2 times the size of object. 2 times. Forms an image is saying. Children, forms an image means real image or virtual image? Forms an image means real image. Real images are inverted. Inverted means magnification we should do -2. So magnification is equal to minus V by U. -2 is equal to minus V by U. Okay, this cancel. V is equal to 2U. V is equal to 2U. So this is also minus. Children, substitution. Anyone? 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. Okay. So
Plus
minus
1
is equal to
minus 1 is equal to 1 by 2U plus 1 by U.
Okay.
Minus 1 by 20
LCM.
equal to 2U. 1 plus 2.
Okay, minus 1 by
1 by
20
20 equal to 3 by 20.
23 is a 60. U is equal to minus 30. U is equal to minus 30. V is equal to minus 60. Minus 60. Heading for ray diagram, children. 20, 40, 30.
Between F and
Between F and C.
I'm sorry. Between F and C, children. So between F and C. So children, please see here. This is a concave mirror. So between F and C means this is pole, this is F, this is C, this is F, this is C. F is how much, children? F is how much? 20, 40, 20, 40. Between F and C means beyond C you will get one ray parallel with this axis. So object distance is 30. Image distance is how much, children? 60. What are the characters of image, children? What are the characters of image?
Real
magnified.
inverted magnified beyond C.
Beyond the serial inverted like this, one below each other only you write, children. Don't write one side of each other, one below each other you write down real inverted magnified beyond the C. Okay, children, I hope you people are able to understand. Children, please concentrate, children. So many numericals will come today. Okay, 19th question. An object 3 centimeters in height, an object 3 centimeters in height is held at a distance of 50 centimeters from a diverging mirror. Who is diverging mirror, children?
Convex.
Convex
Convex.
mirror. Convex is diverging mirror. Convex is diverging mirror of focal length 25 centimeters. So find everything. So children, convex means plus or minus? Plus. Object distance is minus.
Plus
1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U.
1 by V,
Hello.
1 by U. 1 by 25 is equal to 1 by V plus minus 1 into minus 1 by 50. 1 by 25 is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by 50. 1 by V is equal to 1 by 50 minus plus 1 by 25. 1 by V is equal to 50 also 1 plus 2. 1 by V is equal to 3 by 50. V is equal to 50 by 3. V is equal to 16.67 centimeters.
16.67 centimeters. Children, F is 25, C is 50. Okay, this is 60, 50, children. This is 50. What is the heading for a diagram? On C, anywhere on principal axis. On C only, but anywhere you'll get same image. On C, anywhere on principal axis. Okay, F, C, F, C. F is how much, children? F, 25. 25, 50, 25, 50,
50.
like this, like this, like this will go, children. But on extension, children, don't bend the ray, children, don't bend the ray. Other like this, children, don't bend the ray. You'll get image like this, children. What are the characters? Virtual, erect, and diminished. What is the object distance is how much, children? Object distance is 50. And what is the image distance, children? Image distance is how much, children?
16.67.
16.67.
16.67.
Okay, children, like that you have to do, children. You should be very much perfect. Next question. Because children, once we cross this half year list, no, children, during the pre-finals, we'll be doing general all questions, children. Only problems, only that, only this we will not do. I'll be giving so many model papers that we will be doing, no, children. So for practicing model papers, this is the best opportunity, children. Okay. 18th question, children. 18th question. What is it? Yeah, 18th question. So 18th question, they are saying a convex mirror is used as rear view on an automobile of radius of curvature 3 meters. If bus is located at 5 meters, it is 3 meters. If bus is located at so radius of curvature is 3 meters. Bus is located at 5 meters. Okay, find everything, children. So radius of curvature 3 means focal length how much, children?
1.5.
1.5.
3 by 2. Okay, object distance minus 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. 1 by 3 by 2 is equal to 1 by V plus of minus 1 by 5. This goes here, children. 2 by 3 is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by 5. This goes here, children. 1 by V, 1 by 5 plus 2 by 3. Okay. So 1 by V is equal to LCM 15. 5 3s are 3 5s are 5 2s are 10. 1 by V is equal to 13 by 15. V is equal to 15 by 13. Simplify that, children. How much is the answer? That you write down. Okay, magnification is how much, children? Minus V by U. Magnification is minus 15 by 13. U is how much, children? Minus 5. Minus cancel magnification. Magnification is plus 3 by 13. So how much you will get, that much you write down, children. Simplify. Don't write any units. Magnification don't have any units. So children, ray diagram, what you will draw, children? Ray diagram is same ray diagram. Virtual, erect and diminished image. Always. Same ray diagram, children. Virtual, erect and diminished image. Virtual, erect and diminished image. Children, is the screen blur or is it okay, children? Can anyone please confirm?
Sir, it's clear.
Blur, sir.
It's okay, sir. Screen is okay.
Now it's okay.
Okay, children. Mute your audience. Okay, children. Next question. Okay, children. I'll use another marker, children. We'll get the image. 1 second. So, children, 18th is over. Go to 17th question, children. An object is placed 18 centimeters. An object is placed 18 centimeters. An object is placed 18 centimeters front of a mirror. If the image formed at 4 centimeters to the right of the mirror, means other side of the mirror. He's saying other side of the mirror. Other side of the mirror. Calculate its focal length. Children, calculate its, U is negative, V is positive because other side of the mirror. Other side of the mirror, a object is 18 centimeters front of, if the image is formed at 4 centimeters to the right of the mirror, calculate its focal length. Let's see, children, focal length we'll find out, children. If you are getting plus, it is convex. If you are getting minus, it is concave. Let's find out, children. 1 by F is equal to, okay, children, 1 by F is equal to 1 by 4 plus of minus 1 by 18. 1 by F is equal to 4 and 18 LCM 36. 4 9s are 9 2s are. 1 by F is equal to 7 by 36. F is equal to 36 by 7. 7 5 7 5 7 5 are 35. 7 5.1 I got, but plus I got, children. So it is convex mirror. Convex mirror means anywhere on principal axis is the ray diagram. You know how to do ray diagram, children. I did so many times. Magnification is equal to minus V by U. Magnification is V is how much, children? V minus 4 by minus 18. This cancel. Magnification is 2 by 9. Plus indicates it is erect. 2 by 9 indicates it is diminished. Okay, erect and diminished images you will get in convex mirror only. Erect and diminished image. In concave mirror you will get erect and magnified image. But in convex mirror only you will get erect and diminished images. Erect and diminished images. Please try to concentrate. Ray diagram, convex mirror, ray diagram. 16th question, children. When the object is placed at a distance of 60 centimeters. When the object is placed at a distance of 60 centimeters from a convex mirror. From a convex mirror. Okay, the magnification produced is 1 by 2. Magnification is 1 by 2. Where should the object be placed to get a magnification 1 by 3? Superb question, children. Fantastic question. Children, see, he's saying when object is placed at a distance of 60 centimeters, magnification is 1 by 2. Where should the object be placed so to get a magnification 1 by 3? This is the question. Okay, children. First, let us see. From this, we'll find F and V, children. From this, we'll find F and V. Then we will think of this, children. Okay. From this, okay, convex mirror, children. In convex mirror, you will get erect or inverted images, children. Convex mirror.
For sure.
Erect. Erect means this is plus and this is minus. Okay, children. This we will take at last. I will explain again. Please see here. Magnification is equal to minus V by U. Minus
1 by 2 is equal to minus V by minus 60 minus cancel. V is equal to 60 by 2, V is equal to 30 centimeters.
1 by F is equal to 1
Focal
by V.
1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. 1 by F is equal to 1 by 30 plus minus of 1 by 60. 1 by F is equal to 1 by 30 minus 1 by 60. 1 by F is equal to 60 LCM 2 plus 2 minus 1. 1 by F is equal to 1 by 60. F is equal to 60 centimeters.
F is equal to 60 centimeters, children. Now this is the thing. Okay, focal length, children. Now, children, see here. Magnification they want plus 1 by 3. Okay, children. Focal length does not change, focal length won't change. Now, magnification is plus 1 by 3 means how much, children? Minus V by U is equal to 1 by 3. minus v
3
is equal to u by 3.
minus v is equal to u by 3. V
Now,
is
children,
equal
1
to
by f
u
is equal
minus
to
u by 1 by v plus 1 by u. 1 by 60 is equal to 1 by minus u by 3 plus 1 by u. 1 by 60 is equal to 3 by minus 3 by u plus 1 by u. 1
okay.
by 60 is equal to minus 2 by u. U is equal to minus 120
Yeah.
centimeters.
So now object should be kept at 120 centimeter to get a magnification of 1 by 3. Children, object should be kept at minus 120 to get the image of 1 by 3. Like this we have to do, children. I hope you all understood, children. Wherever you keep the object, the image is always same, children. What is that? Virtual, erect, and diminished. Image is always virtual, erect, and diminished. Pakka. Always image is virtual, erect, and diminished. But question is fantastic question, children. First, I found the focal length. That focal length and I used and I found out u, children. First, I found out focal length. Using that focal length, I found out u because focal length does not change, children. Same like that. So, like this, we have to do, children. Very, very nice question, children. This is to get to 1 by 3 magnification, you should keep object at minus 120 centimeters from the convex mirror. Okay, children. Next question. 15th question. Okay, children, see here. The image formed by convex mirror of focal length 30 centimeters. Again, convex mirror. Again, convex mirror. Focal length plus 30. Convex means plus, no, children, plus. Okay, is quarter of the object. Image is quarter of the object. Image is quarter of the object, children. Image is quarter of the object. So, image is quarter of the object means, children, convex mirror means plus only we will take because erect images we will take. Convex mirror means erect images, children. Erect images means we will take a plus, children. So, minus v by u is equal to h dash by h. Minus v by u is equal to 1 by 4 h by h. H cancel. This will go here. Minus v is equal to u by 4. V is equal to minus u by 4. Okay, children. So 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. 1 by 30 is equal to v means how much, children? 1 by minus u by 4 plus 1 by u. This goes here. 1 by 30 is equal to minus 4 by
1
u
by
plus.
30 is
Okay, so u LCM minus 4 plus 1. 1 by 30 is equal to minus 3 by u. This is u is equal to minus 90 centimeters. U is minus 90 means v also we should find out. V is equal to minus of minus 90 by 4. V is equal to 90 by 4. 4 to the 8. 4 to the 8 means for 22.5 centimeters. Since it is a convex mirror, same image will be there, children. But just for our discussion, this is 30, this is 60. Object distance is 90, means beyond C we will keep. But of course, wherever you keep, image will be same. Beyond C is the heading. Beyond C is the heading. Beyond the C in brackets, you should write anywhere on the principal axis. Beyond the C, you should write anywhere in the principal axis. Because for convex mirror, you keep anywhere, you'll get the same image. Beyond the C, but anywhere on the principal axis. Okay, children? Next one. Okay, 14th one, children. An object is placed 15 centimeters. An object is placed 15 centimeters from convex mirror of radius of curvature 90 centimeters. Calculate the image and magnification. Children, radius of curvature 90 means focal length how much, children? 45 centimeters. This is plus
45 centimeters.
1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. 1 by 45 is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by 15. This goes here. 1 by v, 1 by 45 plus 1 by 15. 1 by v, 45 is the LCM. 1 plus 3. 1 by v is equal to 4 by 45. Okay, children? So v is equal to 45 by 4. V is equal to 10.1 centimeter. 10.1 centimeters. Convex mirror. Okay, so children, magnification we know minus v by u. Magnification is minus 45 by 4. Object distance is minus 15. So magnification is plus 3 by 4. Plus means what, children? Erect image.
Correct.
3 by 4 means what, children? Diminished image. Okay, just for discussion, 45, 90. Object distance is 15. What is the heading for a diagram? Between
F and P.
F and P. In brackets you write what you write, but anywhere on principal axis.
Anywhere on plane.
Anywhere on principal axis only, but between F and P you have to put your measurements when you are drawing. 13th question. 13th question. An object is placed at large distance in front of convex mirror of radius of curvature. Children, radius of curvature is 40 centimeters, means it's convex mirror. Convex mirror. How far is the image behind the mirror? How far is the image? An object is placed at very large distance. Large distance, we will take it at infinity. Whenever any object is at infinity, image is formed at
focus.
At focus. That's
Focus.
it. So radius of curvature is 40. Focus is 20. So on 20 centimeters, image is formed. That's all. Whenever any object is at infinity, image is formed at focus. When any object is at infinity, what happens when any object is at infinity? When any object is at infinity, all the light rays will undergo reflection like this. But on extension, they all will form image at the focus. Here you get image.
Sir, in question, if you give large distance, we can directly take.
No. Large distance, if they are not giving that distance, then infinity. If they are giving distance, you have to take it and you have to do. Large distance, here they did not give distance. Next, a concave mirror produces real image. Concave mirror, he said to children, and he is only saying it is real. Real images are inverted. Real images are inverted. 10 centimeter tall. Image is 10 centimeter. Image is 10 centimeter, means minus 10 you should take because it is inverted. Of an object 2.5 centimeters. Tall, placed at 5 centimeters. Placed at 5 centimeters. Find the position of the image. Okay, children. So directly we can do, children, find the position of image. Minus V by U is equal to H dash by H. Okay, minus V by, this is minus, children, minus 5 minus 10 by 2.5. Why minus I took? Because real images are inverted. Okay, children, this is cancelled. And 2.5 2s are 2 into this. V is minus 20 centimeters. Anyway, they didn't ask to find focal length. I am just finding, that's it. They didn't ask, children. So 1 by F is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U plus 1 by F is equal to V. How much we got? Minus 1 by 20. And U is how much, children? 5 minus 1 by 5. 1 by F is equal to 20 and 5 LCM 20. Minus 1 minus 4. 1 by F is equal to minus 5 by 20. F is equal to minus 4 centimeters. Children, 4, 8. Object distance is 5. Heading for ray diagram between F and C. Okay, children, heading for ray diagram is between F and C. 1 second, children. So between F and C, children, between F and C, if you keep, where you get image, children? Beyond the C. Between F and C, if you keep anything, between F and C, if you keep anything, you will get beyond the C. With measurements, you have to draw, children. Please see here, children. Measurements are very, very important. If you don't draw measurements, I won't give marks, children. Your wish. P, F, C, F, C. F is how much, children? F, 4. 4, 8, 4, 8. Between F and C, if you keep, you will get beyond the C. One ray parallel to the principal axis goes through focus. Other light ray going through focus goes parallel, children. Like this. Object distance is how much, children? We got 5. And what is the image distance, children? 20. Okay. Object size was how much, children? Object size is originally 2.5. Image size is 10. Characters real, inverted, magnified, beyond the C. Real, inverted, magnified, beyond the C. Compulsory, children. Measurements pakka. If measurements are not there, I will not give the marks, children. Your wish later. Measurements pakka, because you should know what you are doing. Finally, that is my intention. You should know what you are doing. Simply sir said I will draw one ray diagram. It's not enough, children. Next, 11th question. What is saying means image formed by convex mirror, children. Image formed by convex mirror is virtual, erect and smaller in size. Illustrate with figure. You know what is the ray diagram, no, children? Convex mirror. Why it is used rear view mirror? You know it. Next question, children. Next question. You know it. 10th question. An object is placed in front of a concave mirror. Object is placed in front of a concave mirror of focal length 20 centimeters. Image is 3 times magnified. Image is magnified 3 times. Calculate the possible distances. Concave mirror means this is minus children, and concave mirror is placed mirror. The image formed is 3 times. Image formed is 3 times. Children, 3 times magnified it is same.
Minus sir, we should take.
So that's what Nana. See Nana, concave mirror low, you'll get virtual also magnified only Nana. So both the cases we will find out. Once we will take minus, we will find out. Once we will take plus. Last question, children. After this, I will not say. Just see, children. In concave mirrors, you will get magnified. This side also you will get. That side also. Here also, once you will get magnified image. No. So once I will take minus 3, once I will take plus 3, and I will find out all possible distances. Magnification is minus v by u. Please see children, try to understand. Magnification is minus v by u. Minus 3 is equal to minus v by u. Plus 3 is equal to minus v by u. Minus minus cancel, v is equal to 3u. Minus v is equal to 3u. Means v is equal to minus 3u. Both the cases I want to find out, children. Both the cases. Because all possible distances is asking. Magnification you can get that side or this side also, children. Okay. So first for this side we children. For this side please see here, children. 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. This is how much? Minus 1 by 20 is equal to, this is 3u now children. 1 by 3u plus 1 by u. Minus 1 by 20 is equal to, 3u is the LCM. 1 plus 3 minus 1 by 20 is equal to 4 by 3u. Minus 3u is equal to 80. U is equal to minus 80 by 3. So U is equal to minus 26.67 centimeters. This is one possible distance. This is one possible distance. Other possible distances is this, children. 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. How much, children? Minus 1 by 20 is equal to minus 1 by 3u plus 1 by u. I will show you with ray diagram, children. Please see here, last one. So 3u is LCM. Minus 1 plus 3 minus 1 by 20 is equal to 2 by 3u. Minus 3u is equal to 40. U is equal to minus 40 by 3. U is equal to minus 16.67 centimeters. This is another possible distance. So children, this is 20, this is 40. Okay, this is 26.67 means between F and C. This is between F and P. Children, you are able to hear anyone? Please kindly confirm. Anyone?
Yes.
Okay, children. So here between F and P means what image you will get, children? Between F and P means between F and P. Yeah, children. Because possible distances is said, no, children. Both we should find out now. If you don't find out both, no, they will think that you don't know the subject, children, properly. So F is how much, children? 20, 40, 20, 40. 16.67 is somewhere between F and P. One ray goes like this and goes like this. Other light ray goes like this, like this. When extended back, where is you are getting image at 3u. 3 means 3 times 48. Somewhere here you are getting image. Don't bend the rays, children. Somehow manage it. So object distance is how much, children? 16.67. Image distance is how much, children? 3 into 16.67, something 49 centimeters. Okay, what are the characters here? Virtual, erect, and magnified. Virtual, erect, and magnified. Second ray diagram for this, children, for this between F and C. If you draw between F and C, please see here, children. Between F and C. So, children, this is pole, this is F, this is C, this is F, this is C. Between F and C means what, children? F is how much? 20, 40. Here you will get, children. Beyond C, you will get it. One ray like this through focus, other light through like this, children. So this, children. So object distance is originally 26.67. Image distance is 3 times of this, approximately 3, 6, 18, 3 to the 6, 7, 78. So real, inverted, magnified beyond C. In both the cases, it is magnified only, children. But here we kept between F and P, and here we kept between F and C. What are the possible distances he asked? So I took once minus magnification, once plus magnification, because minus means this, plus means this, plus means erect, minus means this. Like that, you have to analyze and you have to do the sums, children. Then only you will understand, children. If not, you will not understand the sums, children. Hope you understood. So anyone have any doubts, you can ask me, children. Okay.